This is Ben from the Sawtooth Avalanche Center with a weekend conditions update, issued on Friday, January 10th, 2020. This product is intended as a supplement to our daily avalanche forecast, not a replacement. Read the full forecast on our website at sawtoothavalanche.com. First, with the knowledge that the past is the key to the future, let's spend a minute reviewing the snow we've got on the ground. If long-lived weak layers that produce challenging avalanche problems are your cup of tea, you found yourself in the right place this winter. Pick your poison. We've got every sort of weak layer you can imagine. Early season snow from September and October transformed into large, weak crystals known as depth hoar during a prolonged drought in November. This depth hoar has produced a number of large natural avalanches already this season and is consistently producing unstable scores in our snowpack tests. Across our area, a widespread layer of buried surface hoar can be found. This layer has already produced a significant amount of the natural and human-triggered avalanche activity we've seen this season. Several human-triggered avalanches that failed on this layer occurred many days out from significant loading events and several weeks after the layer was first buried on December 7th. In our southern mountains, where less snow has fallen and the snowpack is thinner, the main concern are sugary, faceted snow near the ground. Depending on aspect and elevation, this weak snow has a few crusts mixed in with it and is covered by stiff wind slabs. This combination has proven to be unstable. On each of the first 3 days of 2020, human-triggered avalanches occurred in the Soldier and Wood River Valley forecast zone, failing in areas where strong winds had built stiff slabs on top of weak, sugary snow. Further up in the snowpack, a subtle weak layer composed of facets with or without a crust was buried by the storm that started on New Year's Eve. This layer has been producing unstable snowpack test scores in some areas, but does not have enough of a slab on top of it to truly test its strength. Yet. And don't forget the current snow service. Sunshine and warm temperatures earlier this week built crests on slopes that face the sun. A cold night with open skies last night helped to weaken the snow on all sides of the compass, generating one more potential weak layer to worry about. I like to think about avalanche hazard with upcoming weather events this way. What does the snowpack look like right now? How did the snowpack behave the last time it was loaded? And how does the upcoming weather event compare to previous ones? We've answered the first two questions, so let's take a quick look at the forecast. A veritable conga line of storms sliding out of the Gulf of Alaska is drawing a bead on our area. Snow accumulations by 5 p.m. Saturday are expected to reach 13 to 20 inches in the Sawtooth and Western Smokies, 11 to 18 inches near Banner Summit, 8 to 15 inches in the Soldiers, and 5 to 10 inches in the mountains above the Wood River Valley. There will be a lull in snowfall from Saturday afternoon through Sunday before another storm arrives Sunday night, followed by a third on Tuesday. Upslope flow, especially in the western reaches of our forecast area, along the crests of the Soldier, Smoky, and Sawtooth Mountains, will experience less of a break in snowfall between storms. If the weather forecast verifies, our weak snowpack may be pushed to its breaking point, and avalanche danger will increase significantly. The types of weak layers that we are dealing with in our snowpack produce avalanches that behave in unpredictable ways. Any avalanche that fails on deeply buried weak snow will be large and destructive, sending much of the mass of the seasoned snowpack crashing down slope. Enjoy the gift of fresh snow, but be alert to the wide range of hazards that you will encounter out there. Wind slabs, storm slabs, loose snow avalanches, and avalanches failing on buried persistent weak layers are all on the table. Read the full forecast on our website at sawtoothavalanche.com for up-to-date, detailed information on avalanche conditions and weather as these storms impact our area.